The future of manufacturing is here. It's digital, it's connected, and it's transforming how we build everything. The Air Force Research Laboratory's Digital Manufacturing Research Team is leading the charge. We're pioneering intelligent, collaborative systems that merge advanced robotics, AI, and data-driven insights. Take Astro, our mobile robot, a key player in changing the game for multi-robot teaming and automation. We are also working towards natural language interaction, encoding robots with virtual reality. AFRL is enabling digital manufacturing through strong partnerships with industry and academia. These partnerships allow for efficient transfers of new research and technologies, boosting innovations and strengthening manufacturing capabilities. Expect big things coming out of the Digital Manufacturing Research Team, such as our fully autonomous robotic blacksmith, set to revolutionize how we make metal aerospace components. Digital manufacturing, building the future of manufacturing one innovation at a time.